Offered in two sizes, the Mudr trimless recessed linear LED lighting channels install flush into a 5/8" drywall to provide seamless integration into ceilings and walls, resulting in clean lines of light. With zigzag, wrapping, picture frame, straight configurations, you can enjoy seamless illumination with endless design possibilities. To order, please complete our order form found on our website. Navigate to alloyled.com. Under the Products drop-down menu, click Channels. Utilizing our advanced product filters, select Mudr under Type. Scroll and select either Mudr 1 or Mudr 2 aluminum channels. Scroll to the Product Documentation section and click Order Form. Download the fillable order form. In the order form, you will select your desired configuration type, along with the tape light, color temperature, and power supply. Send the completed order form to solutions@alloyled.com and you'll be ready for installation shortly. This includes our Mudr 1 4-foot channel kit, powered end cap kit, non-powered end cap, and tape mate LED tape light with wire connector. The Mudr channel kit includes one aluminum channel and one frosted diffuser cover. For optimal installation, we recommend purchasing an additional frosted diffuser cover to use as a sacrificial lens during the mudding, sanding, and painting process. The powered end cap kit includes one powered end cap with hex screws, one mounting plate with TSGB and mounting screws, two straight connecting brackets with set screws, one wire strain relief, one threaded pipe, one lock washer, and one hex nut. And the non-powered end cap includes two straight connecting brackets with screws. For this installation, you'll need the following items: pencil, ruler, scissors, jab saw, power drill, painter's tape, drywall anchor, hex key optional, drywall screws, sander, joint knife. Step 1. Test connection. Alloy LED recommends using power factor dimmable power supplies for Mudr series installations. Connect the tape light to the driver and turn on the power. Ensure the connection is secure and working properly. Turn off power before proceeding with the installation. Step 2. Determine length and cut. Cut the tape light to the desired length at the cut points. Make sure to include a few extra cut points of tape to account for the end cap dimensions, and avoid dark spots at either end of the fixture. Set the tape light aside for now. For Mudr 1 installations, unroll the flexible silicone lens. This innovative patented lens ships coiled up to 200 feet for convenient handling and eliminates visible lens seams for straight configurations, creating a sleek, continuous glow unmatched in the market. Install the lens by applying inward pressure on the sides to secure it into the channel. Prior to cutting the channel and lens, make sure you take into account the end cap measurements. For Mudr 1, the powered end cap has a length of 1.77 inches, and the non-powered end cap has a length of 2.38 inches. For Mudr 2, the powered end cap has a length of 1.77 inches, and the non-powered end cap has a length of 2.32 inches. Use a bandsaw, rotary saw, or handsaw fitted with the appropriate blade to cut the metal channel, with the lens installed to the desired length. Step 2A. Types of cuts. Mudr 1 and 2 have a variety of configuration options including zigzag, wrapping, picture frame, and straight. Zigzag and picture frame configurations will require a miter cut. Wrapping configurations will require a bevel cut. Step 3. Linking system optional. Depending on the installation, Mudr 1 and 2 have multiple linking options. L brackets for mitered corners, used in zigzag and picture frame configurations. L brackets for beveled corners, used in wrapping configurations. And straight connecting brackets used for straight configurations. Place linking pieces into each side of the channel. Then slide both channels end to end. Use a hex key to fasten. Step 4. Install remote power supply. Before installation, ensure a low-voltage power feed that is compatible with the selected tape light is installed and accessible where the fixture is to be mounted. Step 5. Mounting plate installation. 5A. Direct wiring. Mount the TSGB flush to the front surface of the studs using the provided screws. Alloy LED recommends using 18 AWG CL2 wire. If a higher gauge wire is required due to the distance to the driver longer than 30 feet, then use a junction box installation. 5B. Junction box. Bend the ends of the TSGB so that the junction box will sit flush against the back surface of the drywall. That will be installed and secure using provided mounting screws. Screw the threaded pipe into the threaded middle hole and add the wire strain relief. Add the wire strain relief cap to the end of the threaded pipe behind the mounting plate. Ensure the threaded pipe protrudes a ½ inch from the front of the mounting plate. Thread the 18 AWG low-voltage wires through the strain relief screw. Make sure the wires protrude from the threaded pipe by about 6 inches, one positive red wire and one negative black wire. Step 6. Drywall installation. Assemble the end caps to the Mudr channel according to the planned layout. Make sure to position the powered end cap at the end to be powered for a convenient wire management solution. Insert the straight bracket halfway into the channel rails. Tighten the 2 M3 set screws on each bracket using a 1.5 mm Allen key. Mark on the drywall where the mounting plate with the wires will be exposed. Drill a hole and cut the section using a jab saw to expose the mounting plate. Mudr 1 will require a 1.20-inch wide hole. Mudr 2 will require a 1.70-inch wide hole. Install the drywall onto the studs. Use the assembled channel as a guide to mark on the wall where the fixture is to be mounted. Ensure that the hole in the powered end cap aligns with the threaded pipe for convenient wire management. Cut the desired channel mount area into drywall, allowing channel wings to rest on the outside. Step 7. Mounting. Install a drywall anchor behind the drywall for every 36 inches where studs are not available. Thread a drywall screw into the drywall anchor. Place the drywall anchor behind the pre-cut drywall and rotate it into place using the drywall screw as a handle. Secure the drywall anchor to the drywall using 2 drywall screws. Mark the location of the drywall anchors on the drywall for future reference. Step 8. Install Sacrificial Diffuser cover, recommended. Before plastering and sanding, insert the additional frosted diffuser cover, which is the Sacrificial cover, into the channel. This cover will protect the channel's interior from drywall compound, dust, and paint during the finishing process. Step 9. Install channel. Insert the channel into the cut section without tape light installed. Ensure the powered end cap aligns with the location of the power source. Keeping the Sacrificial diffuser cover in place, fasten the channel to drywall and studs using drywall screws for added stability. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. Tighten them just enough to secure the channel without compressing it. Over-tightening can distort the channel and reduce the opening size, which may make the final lens installation difficult. Temporarily remove the Sacrificial lens and set aside. Thread the wires through the hole of the powered end cap. Secure the powered end cap by attaching the lock washer and hex nut to the threaded pipe. Use flat pliers to tighten the nut. Step 10. Add tape light and lens. Connect tape to pre-wire low-voltage wire using a tape mate in the powered end cap. Insert the tape light into the channel by peeling off the covering of the tape light's adhesive backing and pressing the tape in a straight line. For straight and wrapping configurations, install tape light centered on the back of the channel. For picture frame and zigzag configurations, install tape light on both sides of the channel. Tuck any excess tape light into the non-powered end cap. Secure the powered end cap cover with provided screws and hex key. Insert the Sacrificial lens cover by firmly pressing one edge into the channel. Continue along the channel until the lens is securely in place. Secure the powered end cap with drywall screws. Leave the Sacrificial cover in place until after painting is complete. Step 11. Plaster, sand, and paint. Cover the channel lens with painter's tape. Apply drywall tape along the edges of the channel to prevent cracking. Do not overlay strips of drywall tape. Plaster, sand, and paint the installation. After the paint is dried, remove the painter's tape and carefully remove the Sacrificial diffuser cover. Immediately replace it with the final frosted diffuser cover. Clean and free from any paint, plaster, or dust to ensure optimal light output and a professional finish. Step 12. Installation complete. Your installation is now complete. Turn on the power to the fixture to test.